DeepSeek versus ChatGPT. Which one actually helps more with coding? Hey guys, in this video I'm going to break down how DeepSeek and ChatGPT handle code writing, debugging, and explaining programming concepts, so you can decide which one fits your workflow best. Let's start with ChatGPT, especially GPT-4. It's the most popular AI coder assistant out there. Great at understanding complex logic, writing clean code across languages, and even explaining bugs in simple terms. With GitHub Copilot integration and tools like Code Interpreter, it feels like having a pro dev next to you while coding. Now let's talk about DeepSeek. DeepSeek is newer but already making waves, especially with its code writing model DeepSeek Coder. It's fast at generating functions, fixing bugs, and even learning new syntax on the fly. Some users say it's catching up fast, and in some cases gives better code suggestions than older models. So which one is better? If you're working in a professional setting and want pro-level help, deep context, and strong tooling, ChatGPT wins. But if you're looking for something lighter, fast, and still powerful for code generation, DeepSeek might be worth checking out. Both are awesome, just depends how deep you're diving into your project. Let me know in the comments which one you use for coding. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.